Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to add the IDM Internet Download Manager extension to Google Chrome. It's quick, easy, and guarantees smooth downloads. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check for IDM desktop installation. First, make sure you've got the IDM desktop app installed. You can see here on my computer that I already have it set up. If you don't have it, go ahead and install it first before proceeding. Now let's check Chrome. As you can see, there's no IDM extension here yet. So let's fix that. Step 2. Find the official IDM extension guide. Open a new tab in Chrome and search for IDM extension not showing up. Be sure to spell it correctly and look for the official website with a title like IDM integration into Chrome does not work. I'll also link this web page in the description for your convenience. Make sure you're on the official IDM page to avoid fake extensions. Step 3. Install the IDM integration module. On the official page, scroll down until you see the section about installing the IDM integration module from the Chrome Web Store. There will be a direct link provided. Click on it. This will take you to the correct IDM extension page. Remember, you can't search for it directly in the Chrome Web Store because anything you find might be fake. Once you're on the IDM integration module page, confirm it's real by checking the number of users. It should have millions. Click Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Wait a moment and the IDM extension will be installed. Now let's test it. Here I'm on YouTube and I'm going to download a video. I'll right-click and press Download. In a moment, a pop-up from IDM appears with the file info. I'll press Start Download. And there you go. IDM is now working perfectly with Chrome, and that's it. Your IDM extension is now set up and ready to go. If this video helped, make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.